शाजिया परवीन है। मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट विहाड़ी के एक छोटे से कस्बे करमपुर से ताल्लुक़ रखती हूँ। मैंने अपनी तालीम कंप्लीट करने के बाद 2010 में रेस्क्यू सर्विस में फायर डिपार्टमेंट की सर्विस का इंतखाब किया। रेस्क्यू एकेडमी में फ़ीमेल को फायर की ट्रेनिंग करवा रही हूँ। तमाम फ़ीमेल जो हमारे माशरे में मौजूद हैं वो भी मर्दों के साथ साथ काम कर सकती हैं।
Assalamu alaikum. This is Sumaira from Rescue 1122, working as a psychologist and welfare officer since 2007. The major responsibility is mine to welfare the rescuers from all over Punjab. My message for the Women Day is to work hard for the sake of our country.
मेरा नाम ताहिरा खान है। मैं पंजाब इमरजेंसी सर्विस रेस्क्यू 1122 में बतौर वाहिद खातून डिस्ट्रिक्ट एमरजेंसी ऑफिसर काम कर रही हूँ। 8 मार्च जो है इंटरनेशनल वुमेन डे है और इसके हवाले से मेरा तमाम ख़वातीन के लिए मैसेज है कि बी कॉन्फिडेंट और अपने ऊपर एतमाद रखें, तालीम हासिल करें और मुल्क को कौम की तरक्की के लिए अपना किरदार अदा करें। इस वक्त हमारे मुल्क को हमारी ज़रूरत है कि हम मर्दों के शाना बेशाना मिलकर अपने मुल्क को आगे ले जाने के लिए काम करें।
I am Ms. Ruqayya Banu Javed, working in Punjab Emergency Service as Controller of Examination. So it's a long journey working with Rescue 1122. In 2004 I joined as a first female officer in the service, and thanks God there are over 100 female working in this organization now. So very happy International Women Day to all of you, and with the spirit and commitment that together we can build safer communities in Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.
Hello, my name is Iris. I'm from the International Emergency Service UK. We are a British charity and our motto is share best practice, promote development and save lives. And I have the pleasure to be here in Lahore in Pakistan at the Emergency Services Rescue 1122 and to speak with very famous female representative, and I will ask her some question because we have International Women's Day and I'm very, very curious to get some insight from her.
It's a matter of pride for me that our rescue team is the first UN INSARAG classified team of the South Asia, and luckily I am member of that team as well. You have developed a package in which from the call taking for the emergency response, the main role starts from the emergency calls in which our females are contributing. After that the emergency medical technicians, they are contributing. You have met with the our instructor imparting training to the females. On International Women Day, I would like to thank to all males who are actually giving us space and giving equal opportunity to work with, to contribute for the safer communities in the Pakistan.
On the International Women's Day, I'd like to say and commit that the emergency services of Pakistan and the Punjab Emergency Service, which is a model for South Asia and is the first team to get the UN certification from the International Search and Rescue Advisory Group in South Asia, is committed to providing an equal opportunity for women. Although it's a challenging task to be in the emergency services and to serve in the ambulance, rescue and fire services, but yet even in Pakistan the females come forward and they're working in the emergency services, and we believe in the empowerment of the females, and so we give them an opportunity to come and serve in the ambulance service. They're also serving in the fire services in Pakistan, and it's a physically demanding and a challenging task, but we've seen females coming forward and really working even with these emergency services. So I think I wish all the women the very best, and the rescue is fully committed to empowering them and providing equal opportunities to the women in Pakistan.